Wash your hands. Aloha! Who likes bacon? This guy. So for the supplies to cook bacon, we're going to need a plate, tongs, a skillet, a coffee cup, paper towels, and tin foil. And of course, bacon. 2 slices. Yum. Step 1, we need your skillet. Put it on the burner, and now we're going to set it for medium heat. Next, we're going to add our 2 pieces of bacon to our hot skillet. 1 and 2. Then we're going to set our timer for 5 minutes. Next, turn off your timer and let's flip that bacon. Ooh, nice. I wish we had smell-o-vision. I love bacon. All right, let's set our timer again for 5 minutes. Oh. Next step, we're going to need a plate and paper towels for our cooked bacon. I'm going to put the paper towels on top of the plate, so when I put the bacon on, the excess grease will absorb into the paper towels. It's smelling good. I love bacon. All right, time to turn off the timer and the stove. Next, we're going to take our cooked bacon and we're going to put it on our paper towels. Yum. Next step, while our bacon's cooling, I'm going to take my cup and my tin foil and I'm going to stick the foil in the cup. Now I'm going to take the bacon grease, which is cooled a little bit. I'm going to pour it into my tin foil, which is in the cup, just like that. Now I'm going to let this cool, and the color is going to change the grease to white, and it kind of gels up. Once it's like that, I'm going to throw the tin foil into the trash. Now it's time to enjoy. I love bacon. Put bacon back in the fridge. Wash dishes. Throw away trash.